Hi, this is Sharon from Sharon's Nursery, and today I'm taking my chickens for Sioux drink water. Here's the rooster boy. He's pretty big. And here's our black chicken walking around. And here's the yellow girls. That was him. Now, we haven't really given them names. Like we call the rooster, rooster boy, and the black girl, but the yellow ones, they're too hard to distinguish. So, anyways, this is going to be short. And as you can see, the rooster can be kind of loud. So we're trying to keep him, but we're not sure if we're going to be able to. So I will talk to you later.